Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change language on the Taobao app from Chinese to English. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, launch your Taobao app. Make sure you have already created your account and you have already logged in. Now navigate to this one option given at the bottom right. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now click on this one option. You can also use Google Translate. Just screenshot this picture and head over to your Google and use this picture. It will give you the translated version according to the preference of your language. Now click on this option. This is the list of the countries. Go ahead and select your country. Likewise, click on this option and check in for the option of English. Now click on Confirm. With that, the language will be changed in this app. You can see that? And that's it. So that's basically how you can change language on the Taobao app from Chinese to English. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.